Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make poori. Let's get started. First I am going to prepare the dough. I am using 1½ cup of atta flour, then adding 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ tablespoon of semolina, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I am mixing them little bit. Then adding 1 tablespoon of clarified butter and mix them again. After this I am adding 195 milliliters of lukewarm water gradually while mixing them. I have added the water 3 to 4 portions. Now it's time for the kneading. You have to knead the mixture for 6 to 8 minutes. Make sure you knead them well continuously until dough becomes smoother. Then add some oil to the bowl and keep it closed for 20 minutes. Now I am going to divide the dough into small pieces. To make it easier I have made a roll and divided, then make round shape balls from the dough. At this moment I would like to know from which country you are joining with us, to send you a special greetings in the next recipe. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Now I have added little bit of oil again and keeping it closed for another 10 minutes. Now I am going to roll it out into round poori. Before roll out I am coating them with bit of flour to avoid stickiness. Make sure roll out the poori evenly from all the sides with little bit of thickness. Now heat up oil in the pan. Here I am using bamboo stick as gauge. When bubbles starts appearing, oil is ready for cooking. Slide the rolled poori into the oil pan and press it gently with the ladle to puff it up. After poori puffed up, flip the side and continue cooking until it get golden brown on the other side as well. Now it's ready to take out from the oil pan. Making these poori is really easy. You can taste with your favorite side dishes like potato curry, chicken curry, or chickpeas curry. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook or YouTube. Thank you.